What if I told you there's one critical SEO mistake tied to your WooCommerce product images that almost every store owner makes, costing them rankings and sales daily? It's something you probably do without a second thought. But here's the kicker. You can instantly start fixing it, image by image. Stick around, because I'm about to reveal this widespread blunder and show you how to turn your pictures into SEO powerhouses. You might think, it is just images. How bad can it be? Oh, it can be bad. This isn't just about pretty pictures. It's about fundamental SEO and user experience. Here's what you're sacrificing. First off, you're invisible on Google Images. People use it like a visual search engine for products. If your images aren't optimized with the right descriptions for Google, specifically something called alt text and good file names, you simply won't show up. That's a massive stream of potential customers flowing straight to your competitors. And this is huge. You're failing your users. What happens when an image doesn't load? Blank space? Worse, what about visually impaired visitors using screen readers? Without descriptive alt text, they have no idea what your product looks like. That's not just bad for user experience, which Google cares about. It's simply not making your store accessible to everyone. All right, let's get specific. What is this number one image mistake that's so widespread? It boils down to two interconnected bad habits: terrible field names, and more importantly, completely ignoring or misusing image alt text. First, those file names. If you're uploading images straight from your camera or phone with names like IMGE123, you're missing the first, easiest chance to tell Google what the image is about. Think of the file name as the image's first introduction. But the main offender, the true number one mistake, is neglecting alt text. This is a short, written description of your image that you add in WordPress. So many store owners leave this blank, or worse, put in something totally unhelpful like product picture, or just stuff it with keywords. This makes your images virtually invisible to search engines for relevant queries and useless for screen readers. Why is this so common? Honestly, it's usually down to speed. You want to get your products up quickly. Or maybe you just weren't aware of how crucial these details are. It seems like a small thing, but the cumulative effect of ignoring it across all your product images is massive. But here's the fantastic news. While fixing a huge backlog might take time, the act of optimizing each individual image is incredibly fast. Let's make your images work for you, not against you. For every new image, this is an instant habit change. Before you upload, rename that file. Make it descriptive. Use lowercase letters. Use hyphens to separate words, and include relevant keywords naturally. Now, for the most important part, alt text. When you upload an image, or if you edit an existing one, find that alternative text field. Here's how to nail it. Describe what's literally in the image. If it's a red Nike running shoe with white laces side view, say that. Be concise but accurate. Aim for a short sentence. Include keywords. Okay, what about all those images already on your site? Don't get overwhelmed. There are plugins that can help you find images missing alt text, which can be a good starting point for your audit. So, that's the number one WooCommerce SEO mistake with images that so many folks are making, neglecting those file names and, most critically, their alt text. But now you know it's an instant fix on a per-image basis and a crucial habit to build. Want to supercharge your store even more? Help customers find exactly what they need with Beeking Search and effortlessly create compelling product descriptions with our free generator over at beeking.io. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the comments.